If you've got old balls of 8-ply or medium worsted weight yarn just lying around doing absolutely nothing like I have here, they're just old ones I've picked up from my nan or my mum, and I just know that I'm not going to do anything with them really because they're just odd colours. So I've decided that I'll make a super chunky crochet scarf using the whole lot of them together. So grab 5 balls of 100 gram, they're each 100 grams, and you probably won't use that much, but anyway, that's what I've got. So grabbing the 5 strands all together, and then you're just going to do a slip knot, and I'm using a 15mm hook, and as you can see it's pretty big, so I'm going to need that size so that I can crochet this super chunky scarf. Okay, so I'll move these out of the way. So to get started, we're just going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now that will be the width of my scarf, but you can make it longer by making as many chain stitches, you can make the scarf wider by making as many chain stitches as you like. Now it's not the easiest project because you are working with so many strands, and you do need to make sure that when you crochet you do catch each strand as you go. So now that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I'm just going to make mine a thin scarf. So I'm going to use the double crochet stitch and double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. And that chain there counts as a stitch. So you can make these as bun scarves for the kids, with all different colours. So just doing a double crochet into each chain along, making sure that you get through all of those strands. See, it crochets up fairly quickly, obviously, because there's so many strands in this massive hook. So coming up to the last one there is the last double crochet, and now we're going to turn the work. And for the next row we'll chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to do a double crochet into this 2nd stitch here. And we're just going to double crochet right across the row. So one double crochet into each stitch. And then at the end we'll be doing a double crochet into the top of the turning chain. Now I do suggest you have a basket to put all of your yarn balls in, otherwise they're going to end up all over the floor, and that's where mine are at the moment. So I'm expecting my dog to attack them any minute now. So now we're up to the turning chain, and we'll make one double crochet into the turning chain there. And this might be the most difficult one of the lot, because you have to get through, make sure you get through all those strands. Okay, there we go. So to continue on with the scarf, you would repeat row 2, the row that we've just done, and you can repeat that row for as many times as you like until you get the length of the scarf that you want. So once you've repeated row 2 for as many times that you need to, you should have something that looks like this for your scarf. And to finish off, you'll need to weave your tails into the yarn needle one at a time, and just weave them through the back and at the bottom of these stitches, and you'll be done.